Hi everyone, this is Alexandra Villarroel Abrego. I hope you all are having a wonderful and beautiful holiday season. Today's episode is a very special episode because it's something that I really wanted to do with all of you. It's the unboxing, so my first unboxing video here on AlexandraTV of my 100K YouTube play button. So here is my play button with the box, of course. So here it is. It already has its designated spot. It's gonna go right behind me next to the fireplace, and I'm very excited to share this with all of you. You know, at the end of the day, I figured if I do this unboxing, I really want to do it with all of you, because if I'm here, if I got this amazing recognition and prize, it's because of you, you know, because of every single person who has subscribed to AlexandraTV over the years. You know, I started this in 2010, so it's been a long time coming, you know, and for a personal development channel to get to this number of subscribers, it's really amazing. You know, it's an incredible thing. It's a great accomplishment, and I'm very, very proud of it. And of course, the next step now is to get to the 1 million subscribers. That's the gold play button, right? So I have my little knife with me ready to do this unboxing. I'm gonna show you everything that is in the box. Obviously, I've never opened it, so I have no idea what is in this box. I got this a few days ago, and I've been waiting and waiting. Today, we just finished filming the new season of AlexandraTV. You're gonna be seeing the new episodes as of January. So as you can see, there's a new setup because I moved this summer after I came back from tour, from the Full Feminine Power Now tour. I moved into my dream home, literally. So this year has been a very good year, actually. Traveled the world, moved to my dream penthouse, and now got my YouTube play button. So this has been a good year. I hope you guys have also had an amazing year. And if you haven't, well, don't worry, it's about to get better, because the new episodes of AlexandraTV will help you accomplish everything that you want. So the box is open. Let me just close this knife so that we don't get hurt. We don't want that, right? In an unboxing video wouldn't be a good thing. So here it is. We are opening this bad boy. Let's see how it looks. You know, I have been watching a lot of unboxing videos on YouTube. There's one video I laughed so much, but at the same time I felt so bad because there's this guy who gets his award, you know, and he's like, I've never got any award in my entire life, and it was broken. So knock on wood, I hope this is not what's gonna happen. But him, like when he got it, like the whole box was already broken, and UPS wrote like it's like damaged, you know. And he was like, for the first time I get something in my life. It is destroyed, it is broken. It was a funny video, but I felt bad. So here it starts off with this little cushiony, I guess, sponge, I guess we can call it like that. Then we open it, and then there's a letter. Oh, there's two little letters. Okay, so there's a little message from Rick, and Rick says, congratulations on your subscribers' milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. I really appreciate that. So that's Rick who did that. Then, oh, this is good because maybe the guy who his award was damaged, because it says, if your award was damaged during shipping, if you have any questions, please contact us. Okay, so I hope this poor guy who did that video got another award. And then we have, look at this nice letter from the CEO of YouTube, Suzanne Wojcicki. I hope I'm pronouncing her family name right. So it's a beautiful letter with nice thick paper. And let's read it. Let's read it. I'm gonna try not to get emotional, okay, when reading this letter. It says, you've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Okay, I'm about to get emotional now. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Okay, this is emotional. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. That's so cute. Okay. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers, oh, this is so cute. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Suzanne Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. Now, this is very beautiful. I will most definitely keep this letter and frame it, because this is so, I love the first part, you know. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. That's really incredible, because, you know, as you go along, you know, when I started YouTube, it wasn't a very popular, I guess, well, it was a popular platform. It was in 2010, but it wasn't what it is today. So for years, I never really took it, I guess, seriously. I wasn't very consistent. It's only as of like 2015 that I started making more videos, and almost every week. And you know, today we have people who watch in so many countries around the world. It's the most incredible thing how, thanks to this platform, you can touch millions of lives. You know, it's an incredible thing. And this part, where was the part that they say, each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. Like, that's beautiful. You know, you achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor. Like, that's a beautiful letter. And here we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the silver play button. Now, this is beautiful, and it's in a nice little plastic. Let me just close this, because I feel like everything's just gonna fall now. This is beautiful. It shows presented to AlexandraTV for passing 100,000 subscribers, and it's really beautiful. Let's now open it. Oh, and it's shiny too. I like it. So let's not make it fall on the floor. That would not be good. And look at this on its nice cover in the back. And here is the silver play button. Like I said, this is a lot of hard work. It takes a lot of time. But finally, here we are. And like I said, the next step is for sure 1 million. And then, I mean, we want to get to 10 million. We want that diamond play button, right? So yeah, so it says presented to AlexandraTV, and it's nice, like embossed writing, for passing 100,000 subscribers. And then YouTube, and it's a nice mirror. You see, now I can see what it looks like. It's a nice mirror in the little play thing. I love it. It's gonna go right here in the back. And I'm so happy. So like I said, I wanted to do this video, to make this video because, and share it with you guys, because at the end of the day, if it wasn't for all of you, I would not have this, right? So thank you to every single person who has subscribed to this channel over the years. This has been such an incredible ride, such an incredible you know, experience and learning and growing. I feel like I grew up with all of you. You know, I started when I was 20 years old on YouTube. Now I'm 28, about to be 29 in a week, actually. So you know, so it's been an incredible time, and it's only the beginning. And I'm very excited for what's next. You know, now we are filming the new season of AlexandraTV, which will begin in January. By the time you're going to be seeing this video, it's going to be probably a few days later that we're going to start the new season. We are opening a new channel in French and Spanish. So if you speak French and Spanish, go to the channel in French, go to the channel in Spanish. Before, for all these years, we had all the videos in one channel only here on AlexandraTV, but now we're going to divide them simply because it's going to be more easier to manage, because we're going to be making videos every day of the week. So it's going to be a lot of videos, a lot of content for you guys, because I love you all. I love you all. So that is it for this episode. I'm so happy I got to share this with all of you. And next time you see an unboxing video from me, it's going to be for the 1 million subscribers. So I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much. Mwah.